Right, let's see what happens here. Sweat's pissing off me. Totally shouting myself. Sweating and everything. And it's fucking tiny. Let's see. Let's see how quick this bad boy is. Right. Here we go. We've got to be fucking fast as lightning here. Oh, I've got him. Oh, he's not even that bad. He's not that bad. He's not that bad. There he is. Oh, he's nearly gone. It's alright. It's alright. I'm not going to hurt you. I'm not going to hurt you, son. I'm not going to hurt you, son. It's alright. Oh, he's whipping his tail. He's whipping his tail. He's not. Oh, it's alright, son. I'm not going to hurt you. It's alright. You want to go in there? You want to go in there? You down in there, son? There you go, see, I'm not going to hurt you. I'm not going to hurt you. There you go. There you are. See, you're shedding too, yeah? Yeah? It's alright, it's alright. Still up, it's alright, it doesn't bite. It doesn't bite. It's alright. It's alright, it's alright. Chill, man, chill. Chill. I'm just going to hurt you here. I can flip that tail, boy. Whoa-ho! Chill, man, you're going to hurt yourself. You're going to hurt yourself. Let's get him closed in. Get the fucking gloves off. There he is. Squiggles was his name. Oh, you're a bad boy. He's needing handled a lot. Okay, bye.